Hello everyone. Today we will learn what is functions with string in Python. First we will see upper. This is called upper function. It changed the lowercase alphabet to uppercase. The syntax for that is string1 dot upper this function. To make anything function, we should use this bracket. So let's see with this an example. I will write now within the string change happens moment. Now I will write print s dot upper then function. Now let's check the output. You can see that here we wrote everything in in the lowercase, but after using the upper function, everything changed to the uppercase. Now let's check the title function. Each word of the starting string is converted into a title case. Let's see this with an example. Well, let's same thing print s dot title function. Now you can see the difference. When I used upper, everything changed to the upper. When I use title, only the first alphabet of every uh, word becomes the uppercase. Now we will see the capitalize. The first character of the complete string is converted to uppercase. Let's see this with an example. Print s dot capitalize bracket. You can see here only the first letter get capital, rest everything is in lowercase. Now let's check is upper. It will check if the string is in uppercase or not. Then it will return the boolean value. If the value is true, then it will return true, else it will return false. Let's check. Print s dot is upper. It returns false. Let's change the word. Now it runs true because this is capital. Now it will check lower. If the string is in lower case, then it will return the same boolean value, either true or false. Let's check here. First I will write here print a dot is lower. It will return false because it is in capital. Now I will write the same thing here and I will change the string name. Now it is returning true because this syntax is in true. This string value is in lowercase. Now we will go with the is numeric. It will check if all the characters of the string are numeric or not. Then it will return same boolean value either true or false. Let's check 2, 3, 4. Print c dot is numeric. Yes, it will return true. But what if I change here to A, then it will return false because it will only check if there is 100% number or not. If there is a single alphabet present, then it will give the output as a false. What if I give here space and then 5? Then also it will give the false because space is not a number. That's why it is giving a false. Now let's check with the A B C D B, sorry, print B is alpha. Yes, it is giving the true. But what if I make it here 1 or I make it 5 here? Again false. What if I give the space, then I will write E, then again false because space is not a is not a alphabet or a, here not a number. That's why it is giving false. So our last topic was the is alpha. So that's it. Thank you.